Okay, we got one more bag of hydrogen to put in there. Figured I'd show a quick shot of how I did this, which is the incredibly low-tech way, just like everything else I do. That's the water spreader. No, I didn't weave it all through there. I figure if the water comes out of those pipes, goes to the outer edge, it has to flow through all of that hydrogen to get to the drain. I mean, this one has the same thing. So I just make that and dump one final bag of hydrogen on top of it. And I'm only feeding this stuff with 1/2-inch CPVC pipe. Each bed has its own valve. There's one master valve and then the drain line. Both of them are connected together from the beds. So it's a 3/4 inch output from the beds going into that downspout, going over to the drain is 1 inch, so it's not going to get choked with too much flow. And these are cracked all the way open, so there's plenty of water flowing through them, and it's still, even with it being wide open, it's not enough to totally gag the standpipe in there. Far from it. So we're good. I'm going to dump the other bag in there and I'll be right back. Got a few things I need to clear up on this channel. I'm getting one too many snowflakes on the channel again. So time to dig out the blowtorch and melt them. And there you go. It's done and it's ready to be planted. I've got starter plants for the other one over here just for winter. What did I plant? Oh yeah, Chinese broccoli and bok choy. Haven't decided what I'm going to do with this one yet. We shall see. But the things I was going to address is I'm getting those people on this channel again complaining because, oh God, Larry, you're not doing things all high tech. You know, well, you don't need to. I mean, think about it. Aquaponics works by accident. I've been saying that for years. If you just give it a try, it'll work. Meaning, if you can raise fish in an aquarium and raise plants in the ground, you can marry the two and it's going to work automatically. As for the size of these beds, you know, I don't need them any bigger. I'm not trying to grow trees in them. These are actually just the tops of these two IBC tanks here. Now, if you've watched any of Rob Bob's videos on chop and flip systems, it's basically all I did. I saved the fish tanks for the bottom, and then I took the tops and made continuous flow media beds out of them. There's nothing high-tech going on out here. Those are just basic media beds. That's just a basic raft bed. These towers, the only thing that's high-tech about that is the method in which they're made. That's a 3D printer, big deal. And then little Crop King NFT rails. The only thing that's high-tech out here is that little computer. It's a Raspberry Pi that I wrote all the software for. It controls the pellet stove, the exhaust fans, the blast heater down there, you know, monitors temperature. It doesn't control anything related to the aquaponics. It's just a way of automating my climate control out here. So if there are people out there that don't seem to like my methods, my opinions, my language, fucking unsubscribe. It's not like I'm making money off this channel. I never have. I don't utilize YouTube's monetization thing. I don't need the pennies out of their little gumball machine. I don't have time to be a content creator and make videos every day and go strategize ways to get 1 million subscribers, because out the number of people that are subscribed to this channel, I wouldn't make a goddamn thing anyhow. Maybe 5 cents a month. It's not like YouTube pays you a whole bunch of money for their little ads, which I've never littered my videos with. So, like I said, you don't like my methods, my language, just unsubscribe. If you think that I cuss too much, go subscribe to a Disney YouTube channel. I don't know, but it ain't gonna break my heart if people unsubscribe here, because for every person that unsubscribes, 5 to 10 more people will come along before the end of the day to replace them anyhow. So big deal. Anywho, that's all. I'm gonna cut this off. Yes, I got 2 towers planted with lettuce, but I'm gonna cut this off because I have things to do today and friends coming over for my regular wintertime chili feed, I guess you might call it. So I got to get back inside and finish making the chili. So that's all. Take it easy. Catch you around the next time if you haven't gotten butt hurt and unsubscribed. Bye.